Indexing. Indexing refers to the process of creating an organized and systematic list or reference system for easy retrieval of information. In the context of the English language, indexing can have different meanings and applications. Let's explore a few examples of indexing in the English language. 1. Indexing in books. In books, an index is a section located at the end that provides a list of keywords or topics along with the page numbers where they can be found. This allows readers to quickly locate specific information without having to read through the entire book. For instance, in a cookbook, the index might include entries for recipes, ingredients, cooking techniques, and equipment. Example: if you are looking for a specific recipe in a cookbook, you can refer to the index to find the page number where the recipe is listed. 2. Indexing in dictionaries. Dictionaries often include an alphabetical index at the beginning or end, allowing users to find words and their definitions easily. The index provides the initial letter or letters of each word along with the page or section number where it is defined. Example: if you want to look up the word diligent in a dictionary, you would go to the D section and find the page number indicated in the index. 3. Indexing in search engines. In the digital world, indexing is a crucial process for search engines like Google. It involves the systematic cataloging of web pages and their content to facilitate efficient searching. Search engines create indexes by analyzing the content and metadata of web pages, making it easier for users to find relevant information using keywords or phrases. Example: when you search for best restaurants in London on a search engine, the search engine uses its index to quickly retrieve and display relevant web pages that contain information about the best restaurants in London. 4. Indexing in linguistics. In linguistics, indexing refers to the use of pronouns or other linguistic devices to refer back to a previously mentioned word or phrase. This helps maintain coherence and avoids repetition in sentences or discourse. Example: in the sentence, John bought a new car. It is read, the pronoun it indexes the noun phrase, a new car, and refers back to it, avoiding repetition. Overall, indexing plays a vital role in various aspects of the English language, such as organizing information in books, facilitating word searches in dictionaries, enabling efficient searching on the internet, and maintaining coherence in linguistic expressions.